This startup has been making headlines over the last few days. It's called Devin AI by Cognition Labs, the first ever AI software engineer. Today, we're going to analyze the marketing behind the product launch. We're going to take a look at the mini keynote video and their website to see how they're driving sales. The first thing I'm seeing is that this is a Squarespace site because they didn't even change the favicon. Favicon? Let's check it out. We've got the video here at the top introducing Devin, the first AI software engineer. And now the YouTube video loads up. And setting the new state of the art on the SWE bench coding benchmark. Meet Devin, the world's first fully autonomous AI software engineer. Capabilities. Okay, let's get into it. This is probably one of those things where the video or the app or the thing it does is so good that you can have a very simple, basic website like this, and it's totally cool. Let's check it out. Let's watch the video.
Hey, I'm Scott from Cognition AI, and today I'm really excited to introduce you to Devin, the first AI software engineer. Let me show you an example of Devin in action.
So we jump right in. There's no setting up the problem. It's just, hi, I'm this person, which is great. Like, this is what I recommend to all founders. Put your face in the video, say who you are, show your face, give some personality, give some sense of like, oh, wow, this is being built by real humans, even though maybe this won't be built by real humans in the future. And then he just jumps right into a demo.
And today I'm really excited to introduce you to Devin, the first AI software engineer. Let me show you an example of Devin in action. I'm going to ask Devin to benchmark the performance of Llama on a couple different API providers. From now on, Devin is in the driver's seat. First, Devin makes a step-by-step plan of how to tackle the problem. After that, it builds the whole project using all the same tools that a human software engineer would use. Devin has its own command line, its own code editor.
I like these little callouts. This is super simple. It's just show me what it does. Give me the actual screen. Give me the actual dashboard that I'm going to see if I buy this product. So far, so good.
And even its own browser. In this case, Devin decides to use the browser to pull up API documentation so that it can read up and learn how to plug into each of these APIs. Here, Devin runs into an unexpected error.
Okay, so then this is like the first objection, like, well, what happens if it codes the wrong thing? Then what do you do?
Devin actually decides to add a debugging print statement. Reruns the code with the debugging print statement, and then uses the error in the logs to figure out how to fix the bug. Finally, Devin decides to build and deploy a website.
This video, the pacing is like, there's a lot of breathing room in this. And I'm 50-50 right now. It's not super markety, get pumped up. This is just like a cool, kind of jazzy vibe, just slow. Like we're just gonna have 2 to 3 seconds of complete silence, and that's fine.
Site with full styling as the visualization. You can see the website here. All of this is possible today because of the advancements that we've made in both reasoning and long-term planning. It's a really hard problem, and we've only just started, but we're super excited about the progress that we've made so far. In the meantime, if you'd like to try out Devin on your own real-world tasks, send us a request below, and we'd be happy to forward it to Devin.
CEO's great. He's great on camera. I mean, it's charming. The guy's charming.
We've only just started, but we're super excited about the progress that we've made so far. In the meantime, if you'd like to try out Devin on your own real-world tasks, send us a request below, and we'd be happy to forward it to Devin.
Okay, clear call to action at the end, and if we're here on this website, talks about all of Devin's capabilities. Then it goes into like, here's some Loom videos that we have.
Hey everyone, my name is Sarah, and I'm going to show you how Devin, our AI software engineer, can autonomously learn from a blog post. A lot of progress.
Cool. Yeah, then you kind of go through a bunch of capabilities. Super simple stuff. I mean, this is like bare bones, but again, it's like, if this is something that has this is what I was talking about with, I've talked about this before, the problem of like founders not knowing what features to put into a video, or they try to cram every feature. Oftentimes they don't really understand which of their features is going to have the wow factor. And sometimes you can have a wow factor so big, a feature so big that that's all you have to talk about. Whatever, we could go through 1,000 use cases of what this can actually do, but just the headline, like the headline is so good, or like if a journalist were to write about this keynote, what would be the headline? Not what your headline would be. That's in copywriting. Yes, you would like, okay, what's our headline going to be for our optimized YouTube video? But for if someone else were to write this, or what is their one line takeaway? What is the juiciest line that they could write about this product, about this new feature that just came out? And it's the first ever AI software engineer. That is like, you 100% get what that is. You understand the implications, and then there's enough mystery there that you can start to imagine all the cool applications that you could start doing with that fact. So there's a tons of use cases here. What do we got? Devin can autonomously find and fix bugs. Now it's like, these are like sales bullets. I've never seen this where it's like one video per sales bullet. I kind of like it. If I want to know more, I can read the headline here, say, Devin can contribute to mature production repositories.
Hey, I'm Neil, and I wanted to show you an example of Devin, our AI software engineer, helping me fix a bug.
Okay, maybe that's not relevant, but maybe it is. Upwork side hustle.
Hey, I'm Walden, one of the developers here at Cognition AI. We were playing around with whether or not Devin could start a side hustle on Upwork. So here's actual real job from Upwork, where the client wants to set up this computer vision model, which actually looks
cool. Got benchmarks. I mean, that's great. Like visually right there, that sells it. Even if I don't really know what this is saying, like, just visually like, oh, wow, cool. And they're blowing them out of the water. About Cognition, we are an applied AI lab focused on reasoning. We're building teammates. We are well funded, including $21 million. And even they have that at the very top of the banner, the announcement bar. Like, we raised $21 million Series A. Learn more here. I guess it's like a Twitter post. Oh, okay. Hire Devin. This is the call to action that is, it's kind of clear enough. Or maybe this should have been a little bit more. Let's see if this takes me to a form. Oh, wow. It's a Google form. God, these guys are so bare bones. I love this. This is just, here's what if you want to talk to us, fill out this Google form. We'll get in touch. And or hit us up at this info and then join our team. And that is it. You got the Twitter and LinkedIn at the bottom. Super simple. This kind of is this is at the point where it's like, okay, this is good enough where we can put this out, or we can make a video about this, get people stirred up, get people excited, and start moving the needle here. So, great job. Great job, Cognition Labs, Devin AI. That is going to be it. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Jordan Anderson. Be sure to subscribe here on the Nice Slice Studio YouTube channel. We'll see you guys in the next one.